So I'm always looking to add new things to my portfolio. I'm looking at up and coming projects, stuff that is taking big steps forward during these times. And I've added a lot of AI recently. I've added some larger caps. And something I've tended to stay away from is meme coins. Meme coins are not really my jam. Not a big fan of the sector. I think it's very, very oversaturated. There's a lot of new projects being created all the time that don't really do anything. But where it gets interesting for me is when there is things happening, when there is utility being created, when there is deflationary supply, when there's partnerships being created. That kind of stuff speaks to me. That is where I get excited. And that's why I'm talking about Floki right now. Now, this is not a paid video or anything like that. I'm not getting paid to talk about Floki. It's something I've kind of watched from afar, but never really dove into. And that actually changed on Friday. Friday is when I actually added Floki to my bag. Now, what I saw was this great DCA plus opportunity that flashed on my indicator. If you guys are curious about checking out my indicator, the link's in the description below. There's a 30-day money bag guarantee. It is super useful, and this is when I picked up my bag. And you guys can see that since that time, it's up about 11% or so and fluctuating. We're getting some wild volatility today. Now, even though Floki has made some big moves recently here, in fact, setting a new all-time high back mid-March, earlier in March. So that's very exciting. I think that these moves still pale in comparison to the moves that you can see later on in this market cycle. And why that is because retail is not truly back. Retail is what drives a lot of these coins in this sector. And you get the excitement, you get the hype, the buzz, right? Now, what is cool about Floki is that it has huge burns. All right. I think the last one I saw was like 1% of the supply. That's enormous, right? There's big partnerships that have been announced even recently here. There is additional utility, the Floki locker, right? I believe that's what it's called. So you gotta bear with me. I've been diving in further, but I think that right now it's well positioned for this big breakout move that we're seeing preparation for across the rest of the market. For example, when you look at the Floki chart right now, you can see that this formation that's playing out, exact same one as Bitcoin. Playing into a big bull pennant right now. BTC actually just confirmed bullish momentum on the 4-hour charts. You can see had the same DCA opportunity flash on BTC that we're seeing on Floki. So what that likely means is if BTC continues to show strength here, it would not surprise me if Floki tries to come up and test this, maybe bounces around before its breakout. Now, this is not financial advice. This is not a guarantee. But remember, even if we go through some more consolidating, even if we do get a big pre-halving dip, that's opportunity. Because right now, know this, when it comes to Floki, most people are not paying attention. Most people are not aware of what's taking place within Floki. I'm a guy that does tons and tons of research throughout the crypto space every single day and have been now for, 2 years to do my content. And frankly, I didn't know crap about Floki. That should tell people something, right? For someone that does as much research as I do, I didn't know much about Floki. What does that mean for the rest of the crypto space? What does that mean for people that will be getting into crypto for the first time? That's where real opportunity is going to come. And I think Floki continues to change narratives. I think it continues to climb. Right now, for example, I don't know if I mentioned this or not. It's my dog's pawing at the door. It's the fifth largest coin or fifth largest meme coin in all of crypto, but it's got some of the most going on out of all these coins. That's why I don't think it sticks as the fifth for long. I think it would shock me if it didn't continue to rise and surpass a lot of its competition. So I appreciate you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below, but have a great day. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.